Hey guys, today we're gonna learn English for 24 hours with my little brother.
Всем привет, ребята, меня зовут Рустам. Сегодня мы будем с моим братом учить английский язык.
Yes, let's get started. We're gonna learn some basic stuff.
Сперва мы будем работать с акцентом.
Yes guys, it's important to do some articulation exercises before start talking. And right now we're gonna warm up our pronunciation. Put your right hand on the chest. Look at me, look at me. Put your hand on right chest. Put your right hand on your chest. Right hand, right. Left, right. No, we eat with our right hand. We eat without right hand.
Надо кушать
Right,
с левой,
right.
с левой,
Right.
Левой,
Right. Yes.
правой рукой.
Yes. Right.
Правой рукой.
Right hand.
Да.
Put it on your chest. Yes, chest.
Chest.
Do this.
Chest.
Yes, chest.
Chest.
Do the same thing. Do the same thing. Same.
Same.
I put, you put. Repeat. I say, you say. I say, you say.
Мы будем говорить.
I say.
О, вот так вот.
No, I say. I say.
Какие-то слова будут.
No, I say.
A few moments later.
I say.
Говорить.
I
Ты
say.
будешь
I say.
говорить.
Yes.
Все.
You say.
Я буду говорить.
I say apple. You say apple.
Я буду говорить.
I say apple. You say apple.
Твой apple.
I say apple. You say apple. I say banana. You say banana.
Твой банан.
No. Listen. This is pencil.
Мой.
This is pencil.
This is pencil.
Yes. This is pencil.
This is.
I say. You say.
You say.
I say. You say.
Say.
No. I say.
I
You say.
say. I say. Мне.
No.
You say. You say. Мне.
No. Apple.
Apple.
No. I say apple. You say apple.
You say. Apple. I say apple.
Yes.
Все.
I say banana. You say banana. Banana.
I say.
No, I
you
banana. Just banana.
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 Apple.
Apple.
Pencil.
Pencil. Black pencil.
Dictionary.
Dictionary.
Copybook.
Copybook.
Notebook.
Notebook.
That's great.
That's
Amazing. Good job. Yes. I raise my hand. You raise your hand. I put my right hand on my chest.
A few moments later.
Это какой-то... Нет,
Vibration.
не звонок, это...
Vibration. This
Вибрация.
Yes. Come on, guys. This is the vibration.
Great.
Yes. No, chest. What is this? Chest.
Chest. No, chest.
You see, guys, we learn English in English. I'm making real examples from the real life, and my brother understands it. Okay? Watch this video carefully because there's so much information. So just be careful, and maybe you're gonna implement some insights from this video to your study session. In Russia, chest in Russia. What is this?
Chest. Твой грудь.
Yes! Yes! Yes, that's great. So, your chest.
Твой chest.
Chest.
Твой грудь.
Yes.
Твой вибрация.
Feel. What is the feel? Feel tasty. This is like tasty. How to say? Okay. Feel. What is this? Feel the vibration.
Твой грудь.
Feel the vibration.
Чувствовать вибрацию.
Yes. Oh. That's great. That's great. Amazing. Now we're going to sing a song. Sing a song. Song. What is this song? Song. Now, for example, how?
A few moments later.
The hopes you're. This is a song. Music, song.
Song.
Music.
Music.
Yes.
Music, да.
Song. We're gonna sing a song.
Song значит это музыка.
No. Song. Sing a song. Song.
Петь музыку.
Yes, right now. Improve your speaking skills with us, guys. What is this? Read.
Один большой свет.
Read. Read.
Искать.
No, read.
Читать.
First. Yes. Read.
Читать.
Write. Okay. Write new words. Read. Okay.
Read. Okay.
Read.
Я
Read
понял.
and sing.
Все, я понял. Читать.
Yes.
Read обозначает слово читать.
Okay. We're gonna sing a song. That's great.
And?
Read. Yes. That's great. Writing and translating any vocabulary that you don't know is like very helpful and golden. It's a golden rule. I don't speak any Russian words, but he understands me. It's very great. I love this process. You know, guys?
I wonder why you and me fight each other. Don't you see the similarities between us? Take a minute and see yourself in the mirror. You look like me, those eyes, lips, you can't deny. Have you thought of...
Okay, guys, at the end of our session, we're gonna name real subjects. So real objects. Here, this one is, it would be like easy to learn. It's like when you're learning with your eyes, visualization. It's kind of easy to learn English. So that's great. Now, what is this? This is a cup.
Cup.
In Russia?
Кружка.
Yes, that's great. Write it down. That's great. I love it, you know, guys. That's great. Okay, what is this?
Book.
This is a book.
Book.
That's great. I love it. What are these?
This notebook.
These are notebooks.
These are notebooks.
These
are
notebooks. One book.
Many books.
3 books. 1 book,
1 book,
3 books.
3 books.
Learning grammar in this way becomes much easier and very interesting. What is this? Pen.
Pen.
Pen, that's great. Pen.
1 pen.
1 pen. 2.
2 pens.
And thank you for watching, guys. This was me, Mr. Discipline, and this is my little brother. So thank you for watching.
Подпишитесь на канал.